Hello everyone. Today in our easy 15-minute beginner yoga practice on the mat, we'll be doing some spinal waves and some movements to strengthen the upper body. My name is Deb and welcome to Women Reinventing Midlife TV, where we aim to inspire women over 50 to thrive in a meaningful life that you deeply desire and deserve. In the first two videos of this 4-week series, we focused on bringing flexibility and mobility to the upper and the lower body, and you will find those videos at the end of this one. Today, our practice is to bring flexibility to the spine and also to bring strength to the muscles in the shoulders and arms. Now, if you've never done any form of exercise or yoga before, remember to consult your specialist or your GP first. And please remember, if you find these practices enjoyable and helpful, please remember to subscribe to this channel to support me in continuing to support you. Okay, so let's get on the mat and get started. We'll begin our practice in sitting today in natural seat, which is the way I'm sitting. So we're sitting on our heels. And you might need a little bit of support underneath your buttocks to sit like this. And so it always helps to put a pillow underneath your buttocks, or if you have any yoga blocks, put those underneath your buttocks. And even if you find the pressure a bit much on your upper feet, which sometimes I do, you can place the pillow underneath your feet as well, which makes it a lot easier. Now, beginning in breath awareness in sitting, making sure that your hands are in your lap with your palms facing upwards and your thumb and forefinger is together. Lowering your eyes, either closing your eyes or just having your eyes in a hooded gaze, bringing your awareness to your breath. Beginning in natural breath with a gentle expansion of the abdomen on the inhale and a soft pulling in of the abdomen on the exhale. Natural breath is slow, even flowing, and effortless. There's no pushing and forcing in this breath. It's just a gentle breath in and a gentle breath out. As you breathe in, the abdomen expands. As you breathe out, the abdomen softly pulls in. And on your next inhale, transitioning to complete breath, filling your lower, your middle, your upper lungs. And on the exhale, releasing from the upper, the middle, the lower lungs, pulling the navel in firmly to the base of the spine. As you breathe in, the abdomen expands, the rib cage expands, the chest expands. As you breathe out, the chest softens, the rib cage softens, the abdomen softens first, and then the navel pulls in firmly to the base of the spine. Complete breath in, complete breath all the way out. Maintaining breath awareness on your next exhale. Hinge forwards into child. So I'm going to turn to the long side of my mat. And we're going to hinge forwards into child for child asana. Breathing into the lower, the middle, the upper lungs. And on your next exhale, tuck your chin, curve your spine. Tuck your tailbone, bring your shoulders over your hips. Inhale, lengthening from the base into natural seat. Exhale, hinge forwards into cat. Inhaling cat. Exhale, cat tuck, tuck the tailbone, curve the spine, tucking the chin last. Inhale, cat, lengthening from the base, vertebra by vertebra, up through to the crown of the head. Exhale, cat tuck. Inhale, cat. These movements are slow and even flowing. Exhale, cat tuck. Inhale, cat, lengthening from the base. Exhale, cat tuck. Inhale, cat. Exhale, child. Sway the sit bones back into child, keeping your arms forward. Child asana, breathing into the lower, the middle, the upper lungs, filling your lungs to your most comfortable maximum. And on your next exhale, tuck the chin, curve the spine, tuck the tailbone. Inhale, lengthening from the base up through the crown of the head to natural seat. Exhale, hinge forwards into prep for cat bow one. So we're bringing our fingers in to face towards each other this time. Inhale here, pull up through the pelvic floor, tone the core. Exhale, cat bow one, lowering the upper body as far as you can. Inhale, press back up. Exhale, cat bow one, lowering the upper body as far as you can, keeping your elbows pointing outwards. Inhale, cat bow one. Exhale, cat bow one. Inhale, press back up. Exhale, cat bow one. Inhale, press back up. Exhale, child. Sway the sit bones back to child. Bringing your forehead to the mat. Child asana, breathing into the lower, the middle, the upper lungs. I'm really feeling where the breath is naturally expanding now and inviting that expansion even more. On your next exhale, tuck the chin, curve the spine, rolling vertebra by vertebra up. Inhale, natural seat, lengthening from the base of the spine up through the crown. Exhale, hinge forwards into cat. Inhale here. Exhale, cat bow two. So you're keeping your elbows in this time, pulling up through the pelvic floor, and as you exhale, lowering the upper body down. Inhale, back to cat. Exhale, extended child. So tuck the toes and sway back to extended child. Inhale here. Exhale, tuck the chin, curve the spine, tuck the tailbone. Bring the shoulders over the wrists. Inhale into cat. Exhale, cat bow two, lowering the upper body. Inhale, cat. Exhale, extended child, keeping those toes tucked. Sway back to extended child. Inhale here. Exhale, tuck the chin, curve the spine, tuck the tailbone. Bring the shoulders over the wrists. Inhale, lengthening from the base of the spine up through the crown into cat. Exhale, cat bow two, lowering the upper body again. Inhale into cat. Exhale, release the toes and sway back to child for child asana. Relaxing in your child asana, relaxing into your complete breath, relaxing into yourself. On your next exhale, tuck your chin, curve your spine, tuck your tailbone. Bring the shoulders over the hips. Inhale, lengthening from the base up through the crown into natural seat. Exhale, release your arms to the side, lean to the right. Keeping the ankles and the knees together, bring your legs forwards and hip lift to the front of your mat. Exhale, lowering down into knees to chest. Knees to chest, asana. You can stay still at the center or you can rock from side to side. If you rock from side to side, slowly with the rhythm of your breath. On your next exhale, bring your arms to a T position, your feet partial recline, the left leg extended. Inhale, shift your hips to the right, and exhale, twist with your knee to the left, slow and even flowing, keeping both shoulders fully grounded on the mat. Breathing into the twist. Your head can stay central or turned in the opposite direction to the twist. On your next exhale, unwind, slow and even flowing. Shifting your hips back to the center. Inhale, step in with the left foot, bring your arms beside you and bring your knees to chest. Inhale here. Exhale, bring your arms to a T, your feet lower and the right leg extends. Inhale, shift your hips to the left. Exhale, twist with your knee to the right. Head can stay center or in the opposite direction to the twist. Both shoulders stay fully grounded, allowing your whole body to relax into the twist and bringing your focus to your complete breath. On your next exhale, slowly unwind, slow and even flowing, allowing the spine to unwind. Shift your hips back to center. Inhale, step in with the right foot, bring your arms beside you, and exhale, both knees to chest. Inhale here. Exhale, lowering both feet and arms. Inhale, recline butterfly, lift both heels and rotate the knees out to the sides, bringing the soles of the feet together for recline butterfly. Recline butterfly asana. This is a beautiful place to do some yoga nidra as well when you're in recline butterfly. Relaxing into your natural breath with a gentle expansion of the abdomen on the inhale and a soft pulling in of the abdomen on the exhale. Yoga Nidra for 5 to 10 minutes or even longer is wonderful to help your body embed the practice, so please make time for that. Thank you for joining me. If you found this practice enjoyable, please remember to like the video, share it, subscribe to this channel, and click the bell for notifications so you're notified as soon as the next video comes out. Lots of love to you, and I look forward to next time. Namaste.